guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically replace your clips on CapCut PC. So for instance, you have this video and you've added like a ton of effects on it and you don't want to like lose that. So I'm just going to show you, like, maybe you added some filters to it and stuff, and you want to replace the clip. So you'll need a video that is longer than the clip, unfortunately, to be able to replace it. So select the clip. Okay, it's too short. Let's try another one. Hopefully this one isn't too short. Select the clip, drag it, and place it like on top of it. Not like here, but like literally on top of it. And then you're going to add that, and you're going to basically select the which side of the clip, I guess you want to clip, like you want to cut if it's too long. Then you're going to select use the original video effect, and you're going to select replace clip, and as you can see, the filter and effects will still be applied to it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!